Hi everyone, my name is Peg and I work at Kosha as an institution and I'm also a yoga instructor. What I'd like to do is introduce to you a breathing technique that I love to do. It's super easy and you don't need anything to do it with or be anywhere special to do it. You can be in a seated position, you can lie down, you can do it standing. What it's called is rhythmic breathing. And all you do is you count to 5 on an inhale and count to 5 on an exhale. And that's it. It's really simple. So all you need to do is put your one hand on your heart center, one hand on your diaphragm, to feel the rise and fall of your breath, and then we can get started. So I'm going to do this lying down. Again, you can do it seated, you can do it standing. And so once you're in the position that you'd like to be, I'm just going to move this down just a little bit. And then once you're in the position that you would like to be, just kind of move around a little bit so that you can be comfortable in stillness. And then get still and get your hands ready, one in your heart center, one in your diaphragm, high, a little bit high in your diaphragm. And then take a nice deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then when you breathe in and out, you want to feel your hands moving. When you breathe in, you feel your hands kind of press away from you. And when you're exhaling, your hands start to come back in. So when you're ready, let's do it again. Start to inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And that's it. And now when you get the hang of the inhales and the exhales, you can infuse an emotion into your breathing. For example, if you want to feel love, or if you want to feel calm, or if you want to feel peacefulness, you just think of that and then count. So I'm going to think of love. So I'm going to place my hand on my heart and my belly, and I'm going to think love, and I'm going to inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So whatever emotion you want to think about, you can infuse that into your breathing, and it can be anything. And that's what I love about this, is that it's really, really simple, and you can take it with you wherever you go. Well, thank you, and happy breathing. Bye-bye.